Welcome to Master Speak English. Today, listen and practice a simple conversation between Sara and Leo as they meet for the first time. Follow along, repeat after them, and improve your English step by step. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. And you?
I'm great. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Leo. And yours?
I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Leo.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Italy.
Where do you live now?
I live in Rome. And you?
I live in Toronto.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old. You?
I'm 25.
What do you do?
I'm a university student. And you?
I work in a bookstore.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have a younger brother. How about you?
I have one sister.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What's your favorite food?
I really like pizza. What about you?
I'm crazy about sushi.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I like to draw and watch movies.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I enjoy pop music and sometimes jazz.
Can you speak other languages?
Yes, I can speak English and French. And you?
I can speak Italian, English, and a little German.
What's your favorite season?
Like spring. How about you?
I prefer autumn.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing basketball. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play volleyball.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lord of the Rings.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like cooking simple meals.
Do you have hobbies?
I enjoy photography and hiking.
Do you play video games?
Yes, sometimes with friends.
What's your dream job?
I want to be an architect. And you?
I like to be a travel writer.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you read the news?
Yes, usually online.
Have you traveled to other countries?
Yes, I've been to Spain and Portugal.
Have you been abroad?
Yes, I've visited France and Germany.
What do you do on weekends?
I meet friends or relax at home.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for shoes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go jogging in the park.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, especially at parties.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I like dramas.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberries. What's yours?
I love watermelon.
What's your favorite drink?
I like fresh orange juice.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, especially in summer.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I love cooking for friends.
Do you like learning new skills?
Absolutely.
Do you enjoy art?
Yes, I love painting.
Do you play instruments?
Yes, guitar and drums.
What's your favorite flower?
I like tulips.
Do you prefer the cinema or watching at home?
The cinema for sure.
What's your favorite weather?
Like sunny days. And you?
I like cool, cloudy days. Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow flowers.
Do you like concerts?
Yes, they're exciting.
Do you work better alone or in a team?
In a team.
Do you like spicy food?
Sometimes.
What's your favorite dessert?
Cheesecake. What's yours?
Chocolate ice cream.
Do you eat fast food?
Occasionally.
Do you like camping?
Yes, in the mountains.
What's your favorite day of the week?
Saturday.
Do you ride bicycles?
Yes, often. It was really nice talking to you, Sarah.
Same here, Leo. Let's chat again soon.
I like that. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye.